that car. Hi everybody, thanks for coming back to Dave's World YouTube channel. I really appreciate the support if you're a current subscriber, and if you're new here, thank you for checking out this video. I'm doing something a little different today. So for the last couple months, I've been doing some filming up at East Coast Supercharging, and I ended up getting footage on a car that I thought was really nice. It was probably the nicest C5 I've seen in a long time. It's a camouflage wrapped C5 Corvette with a supercharger. Now when I first saw this car, it was white, black, and gray camouflage, and then like a week later I saw another camouflage Corvette and I didn't realize it was the same car, and when I started looking at the footage I was like, oh wow, it's the same car. And then on Facebook I ended up seeing that same car, and I was talking to the owner. We ended up becoming friends. I didn't actually know he was a subscriber as well, so I thought it would be cool if I did a video on a subscriber's car. He said it was okay. So he gave me all the stats on the car. This is a C5 Corvette. It has Z06 C6 brakes in yellow. It's a gunmetal camouflage wrap with gray, black, and gunmetal gray in the wrap. So from a distance, it actually looks like a charcoal color, and when you get up close to it, it actually looks really cool in person. It has carbon fiber fenders. It has an LS3 with 603 horsepower and 550 foot-pounds of torque. He's running a Novi 1500 supercharger, and it has air ride. The car looks amazing with the air ride. So he has a YouTube channel as well. It's called ZeroXcel, ZeroXcel. Check his channel out too. His name is Daniel. He was nice enough to give me some footage as well so I could add it to the video. Some of his footage was really nice, and some of my footage was really nice. Now, I filmed the car not expecting to make a video of his car, so I ended up getting footage of his car while I was filming other things. So I thought it would be really cool to put everything together and talk about a subscriber's car with the footage I did get, and I wanted to show you guys that footage. Let me know what you think of it. This is my first time doing something like this, and if you guys like this type of video, let me know. I'll make more, and if you're a subscriber who's local to me and you want me to do a video in your car, I would love to. I love stuff like that. So, so hopefully you enjoy this video, and then I'll talk to you guys after you see it. Never a thief. There you go. I just had to get its lungs cleared out. So I hope you guys like that car as much as I do. It's definitely one of my favorite C5s. I've owned C5s for almost 10 years, and the only reason I don't have one now is I sold a 2001 Z06 to buy a C7 Corvette, and I just didn't like having an expensive payment. I have a family, and I just felt guilty. I ended up getting rid of the car, so I bought a used C6. I have no payment, but unfortunately the car needs work, which obviously you're on my channel because you're watching me build the car up now. So hopefully you enjoyed that video, and if you want to see more stuff like that, just comment below and let me know. So as far as garage updates are going, I'm trying to clean up the garage right now. I'm in the middle of trying to finish like 4 builds at the same time, and I'm putting a lot of footage on the channel. So my garage got really messy, and I try to have a nice setting for everybody, and I feel really bad when my garage is messy. So I'm trying to clean up a little bit, and I'm in the middle of filming this video where I have to get this car on the road so I can see how the suspension settles. So that might be up before or after this video. I think it's gonna be up after this video on Monday. This might be my Thursday video. So hopefully you enjoyed this type of video. I need your feedback. You know, the more you guys tell me things you like, the more stuff I put on the channel based on what you like. You influence me the same way I influence you, so I really appreciate your feedback. So if you like the channel, please stay tuned. I have a lot of really cool stuff coming up, and have a nice day, everybody. Thank you again.